Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Belize. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Belize, a Caribbean country located on the northeastern coast of Central America, has a small private enterprise economy that is based primarily on agriculture, agro-based industry, merchandising, tourism, and construction. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, and as such, finding a list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Belize and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Belize. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Avatrade. At number 4 is XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, and is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, while combining financial services with innovative technology and supporting a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in services and trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts, with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which features integration with NinjaTrader, and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading, that delves into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. Coming in at number 3 on our list is OctaFX. OctaFX is an online broker that was established in 2011, is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Over 300,000 traders use OctaFX as their preferred financial broker, specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. OctaFX also provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with OctaFX. At number 2 on our list, we have RoboForex. RoboForex Group was founded in 2009, with its headquarters located in Cyprus. With over 800,000 active traders, 12,000 market instruments, and 8 different asset types, RoboForex offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, R and CTrader platforms, as well as RoboForex's terminals for mobile traders, which are supported on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Prime, ECN, RTrader, ProCent, and ProStandard accounts, with up to 36 currency pairs, a variety of tradable market instruments, lower minimum deposits, and more, with fixed spread accounts available on FixCent, FixStandard, ProCent, and ProStandard accounts. RoboForex also provides their very own educational panels, which features Forex analysis and forecasts, beginner introductions to getting started with trading, a range of video tutorials, trading tools, as well as an economic calendar if you are looking to expand your education with RoboForex. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Belize, we have Expert Option. Expert Option is a binary options broker regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, or VFSC, focused exclusively on offering binary options and specializing in trading through all major and some minor Forex pairs. A selection of 16 popular cryptocurrencies, stocks of United States-based companies, and commodities. The trading platform offered by Expert Option is designed specifically for trading in binary options, is web-based, and supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts on offer include a free demo account, Micro, Basic, Silver, Gold, Platinum, and an exclusive invite-only account with access to a variety of educational materials, 24/7 customer support services, and more. Expert Option also offers their very own educational knowledge center, which delves into topics such as technical analysis, the psychology of trading, trading strategies, daily market insights, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as a library of featured video tutorials that you can browse through if you are looking for any additional educational trading knowledge with Expert Option. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Belize on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.